Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about storage classes. The storage classes of a variable dictates how, when and where storage will be allocated for a variable. The different storage classes available are automatic variables, register variables, external variables and static variables. Automatic variables. Automatic variables are declared inside a function in which they are to be utilized. They are created when the function is called and destroyed automatically when the function is exited. Hence, the name automatic. The automatic variables are therefore private to the function in which they are declared. Because of this property, automatic variables are also referred to as local or internal variables. A variable declared inside a function without storage class specification is by default an automatic variable. For example, the storage classes of a variable number in the example below is automatic. Here, void main int number. Next, main function void main automatic number auto int number. Here, one important feature of the automatic variables is that their value cannot be changed accidentally by what happens in some other function in the program. We can create the automatic variables in this way. Understood? We have to create the number variable here, and that variable can be used here as a automatic variable. By using this auto keyword, we can create the automatic variables. Next, register variables. We can tell the compiler that a variable should be kept in one of the machine's register instead of the keeping in the memory. Since a register access is much faster than a memory access, keeping the frequently accessed variables in the register will lead to faster execution of a program. This is done as follows. Here, register int count. Since only a few variables can be placed in the register, it is important to carefully select the variables for this purpose. However, C++ will automatically convert a register variables into non-register variables once the limit is reached. Here we can create the register variables by using the keyword register. Have you understood the whole topic? Automatic variables are used by using the automatic variables are created by using the keyword auto, and register variables are used by using the keyword register. Understood? Understood the whole topic? The main importance of automatic variables are they are created when the function is called and destroyed automatically when the function is exited. And register variable, we can tell the compiler that a variable should be kept in one of the machine's register instead of keeping it in the memory. This is the main feature of the register variable. Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel.